Hello everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and install a Ring app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and access your app store or your Play Store of your mobile phone. Go to search bar, type in Ring and search it up. Then your particular search option will pop up, and you can see this kind of interface will pop up with your app's information over here. For me, since I have already installed, I have option of uninstalling the app and tapping on open, which is already installed. That's why. Otherwise, you will have install option over here. You can tap on it and you will be able to install your app like that. That will simply be it. Otherwise, if the app is not showing like this, you can go ahead access your browser instead. You can go to the search bar and type in Ring app, and you can go ahead search it up, and this kind of interface will simply open up, and this will give you again installing option like that. So yes guys, this will be it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.